Today I'm going to be showing you how to do a sum of all the numbers in a column, and then how to, if you've got a column full of names, then how to get all the names into the correct casing with the capital letters, obviously for the first name and for the surname. Okay, so let's start off with how to do the auto sum. Okay, so you in the column with all the numbers, or it can be any column to be honest. Okay, you can just click into where your totals would be. Okay, so the formula for that is equals sum and then your bracket, and now you can highlight all the numbers that you want to be added together, and don't forget your close bracket and then enter. Okay, so now we can see the sum of all these numbers equals 64. Okay, so now to get all the names into the correct casing, there is a nice formula. Okay, so I'm just going to choose a different column. Okay, and the formula is equals, and then you type in there proper, open bracket, and then you highlight the name and close bracket. Never forget your close bracket and enter. Now you can see it has made the P a capital. So now all I can do is you click on that little dot over there and you can drag this formula down, and it will take that same formula and it will apply it to for the rest of the cells. So now you can see all the names and surnames are in capitals. So what I can do now is you can copy and then you highlight, you go into the column where you want to paste it, and then you will paste values only. Okay, and there we go. Now we can delete all of these. Okay, so today we've learned how to auto sum and how to add names into the correct casing. I hope this helped. Thank you.